Hi guys, welcome to a new video, and in this video I will be showing you the best trick how you can time travel by using git commands. Okay, I'll show that very easily, you will understand that. But before starting the video, I just need to say you, if you have not subscribed my channel, then please subscribe for this kind of videos. Okay, and you can explore my complete github playlist which I already made. You can go through it if you have an interest to learn github. Okay, and git complete videos will be there. Okay, so let me show you how you can time travel. Right now I have opened my VS Code. I'm assuming that you know some basics commands of git and github, because see, for doing any kind of stuffs, for pushing, pulling, any kind of stuff, you need to know some basics command that I'm assuming, and git is installed in your system. Okay, so once you have installed the git in your system, so you can write the commands with me. So to open the terminal in the VS Code, I can click on this three dot, click on the terminal, then new terminal. Okay, then a terminal window will be opened. Okay, for me. So first of all, my file.txt does not contain anything, and I can also show you it is also not a git repository. So I have done git init to first time initialize this as a git repository. Okay, once this is initialized as a git repository, I can do any kind of addition, commit, everything I'll do. So first of all, let me add simple message web coder Abhishek. I have added my channel name. So if I do now git status, it will show that file.txt is changed and you need to commit and add those changes. So to add it, I can write the command git add dot, that will add that, and then I can write git commit minus m for writing a message, and assume it is my commit one. Okay, after that what I'll do, I will first of all write 3-4 more commits. Okay, I'll write something, subscribe my channel for this kind of videos. Okay, I have written second line. Then what I'll do, then I'll again commit git add dot, then git commit minus m, then I'll write second commit. Okay, and then I'll push this one also. Okay, commit spelling commit. Okay, so this time I pushed my second commit. Again I'll write one thing, okay, third line I have added. Again I have to add and commit that minus m, my third commit. So you may be thinking why I'm committing this and adding. I'm committing so that I can back travel. If I'll show you the git log, you can see 3 git logs are there. The first one, it is showing third commit, then second commit, then commit one. Okay, so if I want to see it one line, I can do git log minus minus one line, which will show this all the things in one line. Okay, so you can see. But assume you have written some code and you need to go back to the second commit or the first commit. How you can go there? So for going to that commit, there is a keyword that is known as checkout. So how you can go it? I want to go to my first commit. So I have to copy this 6 characters what is written there. I just need to copy it. Once that is copied, you can write git checkout, and then you can write that complete thing A53ECC1, and if you click on enter, see, it will give you a message that you are in a detached head state. So don't like confuse, like if it is showing like this kind of message, detached head means head is completely detached from body, it is nothing bad. This helps you to basically backtrack in your code, and you can also create some branches, and from that branch you can also work. Okay, right now if I'll show you git branch, it only creates a master branch and it is showing head detached at this point. Okay, so if you want to go back to the update, what you can do, you can simply write git checkout master, then it will again back to the initial position. Okay, but we don't need that. We'll check out at some back time, and from there we can create one branch and do our work. For that, what you need to do, you have to first of all check out to previous branch, then at this point where you are standing right now, you have to create a branch. So branch name, maybe I will have awesome. Okay, I have created a branch here, and you can see if I write git branch, you can see it is showing me 2 branches. So this branch is created at this point. Okay, so if I git checkout, then I'll write git checkout awesome. If I'll write, so you can see in this branch only this much code is available, right? But if I do git checkout master, you can see all the code is there. That means if you want to work after that commit, means after first commit, you can go simply to git checkout awesome and you can work. Okay, after that one line. But if you want on the latest update, you can simply go to git checkout and then you can do master. Okay, then in that master state, all the updated things will be available. So this is all about the time travel. We can go back and we can come, and we can also do any kind of changes in the mid. Okay, and branch, but at some time you have to merge it with the master branch. Okay, so if this video is interesting, you can like, share this video with your friends, and subscribe the channel for this kind of interesting videos. That's all for today, guys. Thank you for watching.